Agave Nectar Face Mask, for bright clear skin. Agave nectar is a plant origin, and is a healthier sweetener, compared to white sugar. But it has many beauty benefits for skin, which include gentle exfoliation, acne and blackheads elimination, anti-aging action, and wrinkles fading, wound healing, skin irritation relief. Agave nectar contains a natural plant sugar, called glycolic acid, which easily penetrates the skin, giving it shine, regulating skin oiliness, and helping with acne, blackheads, and wrinkles. How to get clear skin with Agave Nectar Face Mask. Since agave nectar has a honey-like consistency, there is no need to add any other liquid substance. Two other ingredients we are going to use are baking soda and essential oil of your choice. Baking soda is completely natural ingredient, which is quite safe for skin, because it is non-toxic. In our mask, baking soda will serve as a gentle exfoliating agent, with anti-acne properties. For this face mask, you can choose any suitable essential oil. The best options would be tea tree oil, helichrysum oil, lavender oil, geranium oil, and frankincense oil. Face mask recipe. Take a small glass bowl, and add the following ingredients in it: 1 teaspoon of agave nectar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 drops of essential oil of choice. Mix everything together, and apply onto your freshly washed skin, using your fingertips. Let the mask sit on your skin for 5 minutes, then gently remove it with a wet microfiber cloth. You can also wash your face with a gentle face cleanser. After that, pat dry your face, and moisturize it with a face oil or cream. You can do this cleansing face mask with agave nectar 1-2 times a week, to keep your skin toned and acne-free. To get the best from the mask, choose organic and GMO-free agave nectar.